Hi, today I'm going to tell you about this great Babyliss curling iron. Now, I'm a hairstylist and I have been for about 36 years. And I love Babyliss products. I use them a lot. I have their blow dryers, lots of different items from them. So, as you can see, that's the on and off switch. Turn it around this way, you can see there is a temperature adjustment. If you forgot to turn it on and you grab it and it's cold and you need it to heat up quick, you push that in. It has a turbo heat. I don't know if you could see that writing. It says it on the top there, turbo heat. This is a 1-inch size. I like 1 inch. I think it gives a nice curl without being too curly, but it's definitely more than a wave. Another good thing about a professional iron is a really long cord. It gives you a lot of room. You know, in a salon, you think about it, the customer's in the chair and the hairdresser is working behind them. So this cord needs to be nice and long to give us plenty of room to work. That's a great asset at home also. It gives you plenty of room if you happen to not be in a bathroom. If you're doing your hair in your bedroom like I do, that helps. So let me set this camera down here and I will show y'all. So my hair is naturally curly. I do have some curl, but a lot of times I wake up with a flat piece. I just kind of as a restyle, if I'm gonna not shampoo my hair the second day and I wanna just add a little bit of curl, this 1 inch I feel like blends real well with my natural curls. So I can take this 1 inch iron, and again, I'm trying to get it to blend with my natural curls. So I'm gonna do a small piece, and just a little trick, if you will catch it in the middle, twist, the root area is the hardest to curl. Then lightly loosen, see I'm pushing that, lightly loosen it and slide it down until you get the ends. Your ends do not need heat as long. So just real quick, there you go. So again, the iron is great, and just a little professional tip, start in the middle. The ends of your hair do not need to be on the iron as long. They're finer, they curl quicker. Start in the middle, curl up, move that one out of the way, and now push just lightly. I kind of am tapping it as I slowly slide it down to get the ends. If you happen to go too far and it slides out, that's okay. Start over. Let it cool a little bit, start over real quick. So that is a 1 inch curl with the Babyliss iron. What I do, let me set that down. Again, trying to get it to blend with my natural curls. I don't want to brush it. I just kind of use my fingers and lightly separate that curl. You don't want it to frizz, but I just want it to blend with my natural curls there. So now right here around my face, you can see this side I haven't done. This is from sleeping on it, and these sides get straight, and you see the difference. All right, that's what I do, and that's why I recommend the Babyliss 1 inch. And the 1 1/4 inch is great, the 1 1/2 inch is great, but for my hair, the 1 inch to me gives a perfect curl. I highly recommend. Check it out.